There, hi everyone, boys and girls. We are back with the second Sudoku, number 2010. A Sudoku with 4 stars, and I have already counted the total of 25. Yes, in today's newspaper of Monday, December the 14th, 2020. Four stars Sudoku. If it's really 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. So is this really a 4 stars Sudoku? I do not know. Let's see if this is a 4 stars Sudoku, a really 4 star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. In this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. Two of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. We have a 3 and a 6 in this big square, so no 3 and a 6 in those two boxes. The 3 and a 6 goes in these two boxes. 3 and a 6, we see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. These two numbers are reserved for the numbers 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for a 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about these 3 missing numbers in this row? One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for a 7 should be there. 2 numbers left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 8 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How about 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for a 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 7 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see there 5, no 5 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 5. It should be there. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 9. Let me mark those numbers. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. The other pair in this column should be the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 8. The 6 and the 8 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 8 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 4 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 4, 7, 9. 4, 7, 9. We see here 4 and a 7. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and the 7 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark those for you. It's a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. 2 boxes left in the first row. Those two numbers are the 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Yeah, we have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 5 in this row. 5 in the second row. So the row be low. The only 2 places for 5 should be here or there. We see there 5. No 5 there. 5 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 5. How about 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for a 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Yeah. How about Yeah. Alright. I'm scanning the whole Sudoku. Let me see. I think I need to mark some boxes because it's taking too long. Yeah. 9666. Alright, 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the middle column, the only 3 places for the 7s will be here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. Then 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 goes together with the 7 as a pair, 2 and 7. That means the other 2 empty boxes are reserved for the 1 and the 8. Yeah, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 8 goes there. Yeah. Alright. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1, alright. Alright. 3, 4, and the 8. Yeah. Wababoom. 1 box left in the middle, a row for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. Need to mark those 2 numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9. No. Yeah. I need a pair. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places for the 8. It could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 could be here, could be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So on the third row, the only 3 places for the 6 will be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 6 will be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes here. 2 boxes left for the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be 9 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 9. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. That means in this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here a 9, no 9 there. The only place for a 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in the third column. The 2 and the 8 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And I've eliminated the 8, so 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Now we have a 2 here, so this is going to be 2 anymore. This should be a 7, and this should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 and the 7 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 4. 4 is missing, yes. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes here. Now we have a 6 here, so this can't be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this can't be 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 8 and the 3. 8 and the 3. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. All right, 1 minute faster than the previous Sudoku. I like this Sudoku with 4 stars. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload in the future new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last 2 Sudokus, a tectonic one and a binary. See you then. Bye bye for now.